Hello, for this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create and manage canned messages. So from your dashboard you'll navigate to customer service, then canned messages. You're going to go ahead and create add new canned message. For this example we'll be using time as a canned message. So basically a canned message is something, a response that never change. Like a user might ask, what are your opening hours? So that's the example we'll be using. So we're going to name it time, and then we are open 24 hours. Go ahead and click add. When it's added, you can go ahead and edit your canned message, or click add new to add another canned message.